Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about ClickGuard for agency and why this works for you. For marketers, even those who don't use Google Ads, also a good idea. Especially when Google itself offers free training courses, why not? You'd gain a deeper understanding of marketing strategies to make you a better player on the digital chessboard, and Google's endorsement of those who get certified is essentially free promotion and credibility. This is why ClickGuard is different from turnkey solutions in 3 key ways. Our users are fully in control of advanced configuration settings, such as rules and thresholds determining who gets to see their ads and when. In addition to protecting our clients from fraudulent clicks, we help them identify and block low-performing and generally wasteful traffic to optimize ad performance. Our clients have full access to click logs and user behavior data to adjust campaign rules and thresholds based on industry-specific user behavior. Marketing agency accounts. Ideal for digital agencies and consultants with multiple Google Ads accounts looking to achieve competitive advantage via protection and waste mitigation optimization for client accounts. Preventing click fraud on Google Ads is just one piece of the puzzle. Step 1. Sign up. Just your good old sign-up process. It shouldn't take more than 2 minutes. Step 2. Connect Google Ads. No technical expertise needed. Just follow the setup wizard. Step 3. Boost ROI. ClickGuard analyses every ad click to identify and block fraudulent clicks. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about ClickGuard and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.